How to add multiple emojis related to your content with one tap for Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down, and from here, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, scroll down. In here, tap on Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs. Then we scroll down, and in the Suggestions section, tap on Show button to add multiple emojis. Now make sure this is switched on so that you can add multiple emojis related to your content with one tap. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So when you launch your keyboard, if they are related content, there will be a button where you can tap on it once to insert multiple emojis. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.